I finally decided what I'm gonna do in this room. I am actually going to transform this into a dining room. It's not gonna be formal. It will be just more than what I have going on in there because it's gonna have like some decorations and stuff, but it's not gonna be formal. When I think of formal, I don't think farmhouse when I think of formal, I guess. And even though I know I have some aspects of farmhouse, I don't really know what to honestly call what I have going on. Even though I do want a reading room, I just don't know what I want with that right now, and I don't want to feel forced to put that together. So my brother has a kitchen table that he's no longer using because they moved into a new house and they're redecorating everything. And I figured, well, that's a huge piece for free, and I'm going to just get a like sideboard table. Got the table in here and the leaf is closed, so I'm gonna pull it back up and kind of get this situated. I think I'm gonna do it a long ways like this. I'm not really sure, it's kind of hard to tell. As soon as this goes, I'll be able to kind of tell more. I am gonna raise that up so just that it's not the first thing you see. So hopefully if I just pull it up as much as it can go, your eyes won't really go to it. Foxy, you're the most skittish animal on the planet. On the planet. I'm gonna throw it back out. Oh, girl. I can't. Oh. That is really cute. Oh, I love this. How much? Oh, wait. It should be 30% off. Wow, I really love this. Okay, I really like this plant. I think that is super cute, but I can't have like both of those going on in there. Okay, luckily glass is 50% off. So I just gotta figure out which face that I want, but they have glass in other places. Ooh. Oh my gosh, I love this. Oh, they only have one. But maybe I can just do one. Oh my goodness, like this is stunning. They have a miniature set. Maybe I'll just go with the large one. Alright, now I'm looking for tulips. But these all seem to be roses. Those are tulips. Yellow, it's either yellow or white. But I think I'm gonna go with white. I really love that wreath for the chalkboard thing that I want to do, but I don't know if I want some color in that too. And then I love this gather sign. I thought it'd be really cute, like right before the entryway of the dining room. So like above the wall. You'll see what I'm talking about, but I don't know that I'm gonna get that. I actually really love that. Like I could do 2 of those right above the end table and then put a mirror in between. I think that is really, really cute. This is really cute. It's $14.99. Alright, so I just found this one. Has a lot more, obviously more detail than this one, and this one's more expensive. This one's $10 less. So I think I'm gonna get this one. And the room is complete, so let's go ahead and take a quick tour through. The stand in the corner I've actually had, and I just repurposed it into this dining room. It used to be by the staircase. I moved it from there, and then I added the large like faux tree plant that I had just hanging out in an extra bedroom for no reason, so I put it there. It looks great. And then you would have seen me put together the collage of photos of my daughter. I got those picture frames from Amazon, and I love how it turned out. And then the metalwork above it actually came from Home Goods. And the other couple things that I just didn't film, and I did it off camera, was hanging that mirror and those 2 side wood panels next to it. The 2 faux wood windows I got from Kirkland's, and the mirror I got from Home Goods, I believe. And I really love like the pops of white. It's just so beautiful. I love how the tulips really came out. I think it's the focal piece. That and the mirror I think are kind of like the focal pieces for me. And the date little calendar, the little metal iron calendar, came from Kirkland's as well. And that is Cheap CraftyGirl, by the way, in ballet. I don't know that you guys have ever seen me any photos of me as a child, and there's actually also a photo of me coloring back in the 80s, and I wanted to show it to you guys because I'm wearing plaid, so I've been into plaid since the 80s, but also I'm wearing that with lavender freaking sweatpants. So I don't know what my life is right now. But anyway, I was a gingerbread doll, by the way, in Hansel and Gretel in ballet. And in case you're wondering, probably not. And then that white piece that has like the candle holders, that came from Home Goods. It was in a clearance section. I just have to get some candles and put it on there. And then I was missing a little bit of greenery, and I just grabbed that little faux plant from my office. Yeah, so I tried to repurpose as much as I could. I love this chalkboard, and I added that wreath that you would have seen in the shopping portion of this video. And that is basically it. I'm sure I'll add maybe little touches here and there. I might get a little tree plant for the corner, but because Christmas is around the corner, I didn't want to overdo it because I am putting a Christmas tree in this room. But that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to click subscribe if you're just watching this, if you're just new to my channel, or stopping by to watch this makeover, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye!